Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar extended its decline for the second straight day. After a brief up day, the market is still remaining somewhat negative. And now trading against the weaker US dollar as well, all eyes look towards this support level, seeing that is around 64.30.40. I anticipate the market will probably bounce like previously after stabbing there, and then furthermore see a rise back to 65 to around 65.5 and reassess. Keep an eye on these technicals though, because the bearishness is slightly to a negative bias given by the ADX, but we might see this sharply reverse as the euro also holding very firm into its fourth consecutive day, as the market now looks towards the key level seen at 117.55.70. The break above there will give further scope up towards 118 to even 120. Technicals are strong, so let's see how the market plays. Turning to dollar yen, it remains negative as the heading now into the fourth consecutive day could eventually fill this gap, which is somewhere around the 145. Immediate support comes in at 149.60, but furthermore to the downside, the feel the bearishness is still heavy. And let's see if the market can achieve its target at 145. Sterling, well, the market is firmer and it's now looking on towards the region of 135 as a potential target. Let's see if the market can regain its momentum beyond there and head on towards 136. Turning to commodities, a very impressive rally as gold now heads towards 4,400. As further rate cuts are seen from the US, and renewed US-China tariff tensions has also fueled safe haven demand. We assess around 4,400 in case we are looking at 4,500. Gold has jumped 10% this week and over 55% this year. We are extremely overbought, but markets ignoring these technicals and just safe haven demand continues to drive. Oil now heading further to the downside and looks towards its key level of 55.30.70. We could see a bounce from there, and if so, could look back towards $60 a barrel and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out the interest rate report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.